Welcome to our channel Learner Never Stop Learning. Please subscribe, like. Today's subject is one word, part 1. Okay, let's start. Anything written in a letter after it is signed is called postscript. Strong and settled dislike between two persons is called antipathy. A person who has no money to pay off his debts called insolvent. A small house with all rooms in one floor is called bungalow. Government by a single person is called autocracy. The study of ancient societies is called archaeology. List of headings of the business to be transacted at meeting is called agenda. A process involving too much official formalities is called red tapeism. The place where public, government or historical records are kept is called archives. A post without remuneration is called honorary. Large-scale departure of people is called exodus. To send an unwanted person out of the country is called deport. Voluntarily giving up throne by king in favor of his son is called abdication. One who always runs away from danger is called timid. A person who believes that pleasure is the chief good called hedonist. Commencement of words with the same letter is called alliteration. An office or post with no work but high pay is called sinecure. Person who is indifferent both pleasure and pain is called stoic. A person who is against the standards of ordinary society, especially in dressing, is called hippie. Murder of a brother is called fratricide. Mania for stealing articles, it's called kleptomania. One who loves all and sundry is called philanthropist. An assembly of hearers is called audience. An associate in an office or institution is called colleague. Regard for others as a principle of action is called altruism. A disease which spreads by contact is called contagious. An animal story with a moral is called fable. Person who believes that God is everything and everything is God is called pantheist. Person who pilots or travels in a balloon, airship or other aircraft is called aeronaut. A person who regards the whole world as his country is called cosmopolitan. Relationship by blood or birth is called consanguinity. A story in which ideas are symbolized as people is called allegory. A person who makes love without serious intention is called philanderer. Opposed to great or sudden change is called conservative. The art of cutting trees and bushes into ornamental shapes is called topiary. Walking in sleep is called somnambulism. Language difficult to understand because of bad form is called jargon. A person obsessed with exclusively one idea or subject is called monomaniac. A child of unusual or remarkable talent is called prodigy. A disease which ends in death is called fatal. A person who kills somebody, especially for political reasons, is called assassin. A small piece of potato is called chip. A child who stays away from school without any good reason is called truant. Line at which the earth or sea and sky seems to meet is called horizon. A person who rules without consulting the opinion of others is called autocrat. Study of mankind is called anthropology. International destruction of racial groups is called genocide. One who is interested in the welfare of women is called feminist. statistics of births, deaths, disease to show the state of community is called demography. Thank you for watching. Please comment to improve. Thank you.